Okay, here's this the 78 Datsun I'm working on. You can see it's got some rust holes, and I cut out some of the old rust, and then I made some patches for it, and they I made some fancy bends. I got my helper right here helping me, but yes, had to make some fancy bends for it, and got a rust hole by the gas tank. Oh, watch out there, Dougie. And yeah, you can see it's somebody bonded or fixed the rust and bonded it up once before. It could have been years ago. And yeah, I got it's pretty rusty. There's one you can see it. I'll show you one of my patches I made. See that? See the patch? Don't have enough hands, but see the patch, it kind of goes in something like that. Like I say, I don't have enough hands, so. But yeah, it's a pretty nice car. The guy who had one of his workers bring it over. Sure, things sure ran nice. But here's something you got to watch out for when you buy an old car. Like I say, it's pretty rotten. I brought the trouble light over because my light isn't very good. But here's the frame. These things really don't have a frame, but I'm using my trouble light because my camera doesn't pick up this dark stuff very good. But yeah, it's like a frame under here, but it's kind of a unibody. But yeah, somebody else, they put a hoist or a jack or something under it that went right through the frame in there. That's something you got to watch for when you buy old cars. Look how rotten. Let me see here. Look how rotten that frame is there too. It's my camera work isn't the best. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, like I say, she's pretty rotten, and but yeah, yeah, like I say, I don't know if I can make a patch for that. If you had a hoist where you could stand up under it and work on them, that would sure be nicer for trying to fabricate something for that. She's a pretty decent car, but that's something you got to watch for when you buy a rusty car, though. So.